What's up? So yesterday on Twitter we asked you guys what challenge we should shoot for you, and the clear winner was
The Whisper Challenge.
Yep. Now Sherry, what are the rules?
So it's pretty simple. Each of us gets to whisper something into the other's ear while they listen to blaring music, and you've got to guess.
Okay, so that sounds simple enough. Should we start?
Who goes first?
Ladies first.
Okay. Do a test.
Why are you so loud?
Say something.
Something. I think you can hear me, right? Can you hear me?
I can read your lips.
Now, why are you talking like that?
Okay, go.
Go.
Slow, slow. My hippos.
Yeah, exactly.
My hippos like to eat. My hippos like to eat in the zoo.
That's not it at all.
Bailamos, let the rhythm take you over. Right.
Yeah.
It was just the last time you said bailamos, and I had this vision of Enrique
Okay.
singing it, and I was
Yeah.
like,
It wasn't my hippos, it was Bailamos.
okay, your turn. Are you ready? You're gonna be listening to Single Ladies.
That's loud.
Can you hear me? You're really stupid. Can you hear me? No. Okay, ready? Ay caramba, this chicken is spicy.
Slower, slower.
Okay. Ay caramba,
Ay caramba.
this chicken is spicy.
Slower, enunciate.
You're screaming.
You were as loud. Ay caramba, this.
Chicken is spicy. You just said the music stopped. The music stopped. You
This-
see that? No. You,
I could hear.
The music stopped. I heard there was a skip in the beat. No. So you lost this one.
Ay
Never.
caramba, this chili is spicy.
No, it was this chicken is spicy, so you missed it. You didn't get it.
But I got ay caramba.
That doesn't matter. You don't get the point. You have to get the whole sentence. I didn't just get bailamos. I got the rhythm. Let the rhythm take you over.
Yeah? Are you stupid? Yeah?
I know what you're saying because I asked you the same thing earlier. Go. I dance, you dance, we all dance.
Yeah. Yeah, you are so wrong.
It's I something, we all something, right?
No.
No. I asked, you asked, we all asked for this.
Yes, we did. No. Ah. Give up.
One last. I dance, you dance, we all dance for this planet.
Yeah, we do. We all do.
What is it?
It's
a song because
no,
it sounds
it's not.
like a
It's
song.
not.
What?
It's I cuss, you cuss, we all cuss for asparagus.
So I was right. It was I something, we all something.
Yeah, but that's still not the sentence. You said I said I caramba this.
But I said I caramba is right.
Yeah, but that's still not getting the sentence, right?
whatever.
I will be singing this song in the night. All the single ladies, all the single ladies.
There's a purple monkey pooping.
Slower,
in
slower.
my loo. Okay.
Slower.
There's a purple monkey pooping.
There's a plumber. There is a plumber pooping in my loo.
Purple monkey
Pummel?
pooping.
There's a
purple
Puppy.
monkey pooping in my loo.
there's a puppy pooping in my room.
No. Pooping.
There's a problem.
There is a problem. Yeah.
There's a problem.
There's a purple.
There's a
No.
puppy,
No.
plum.
Stop guessing. There's a purple monkey pooping in my loo.
There's a puppy planting pooping in my loo. In my loo. In my loo in the end is right.
Last chance, okay? Now, last chance.
One last time. One last time.
Okay. There's a purple monkey pooping in my loo.
There is a plumbing problem. No, there's a puppy. There's a puppy pooping in my loo.
No.
There's a
Purple monkey pooping in my loo.
purple monkey. But I still got except for
didn't
two
get
words.
the point.
Except for 2 words I got.
So far, it's 1-0.
Yeah, you're not getting this. She's not getting this.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Sure, because I was born yesterday. Ready, idiot? Idiot's ready. Okay.
Slow. Enunciate. I can't see. Are you eating or drinking your...
Oh, yeah, sure.
Are you in London? It's so pretty. Audrey?
No.
A drink in your hand is...
No.
Don't move your head so much. I can't read your lips.
That's my trick.
Are you eating anything yummy?
No.
Okay, I give up. I have no idea what you're saying.
I knew.
What is it?
Train in Hindi is Lohapatgamini.
Yeah, meaning, obviously, I've never even heard that name. Unfair. Are you ready? This is the last one.
This is the last one.
And I'm gonna win.
You're not gonna win.
Can you hear me? Because you
No,
are like...
I can read those lines. I'm a pro at it now.
Clearly, because you've got 0 points. I want to change my last one, so I think I'm just going to wing it.
You're changing your last
I
one.
don't know, because I feel like you might get it.
What?
Okay.
I'm getting into it. Yeah, come on.
Focus. Hello from the other side.
Slower.
Hello from the other side.
Are you from the other side?
No.
Hello from the other side.
So it's a tie. It's a tie. It's not... You've not won. It's a tie.
I don't care. It's a tie.
Should we have a tiebreaker? Or are we fine to have a tie?
No, I think we've never had a tie on this
We've
channel,
actually
so
never had a
let's keep this one.
I really wanted to change this one because I thought you would get it, and because you've been singing the song, he's been singing the song for the last I don't know how many days. So I was like, maybe he's gonna get this, so I should change it, but I just couldn't come up with something else. So
Too bad, Sherazad.
I was actually gonna add "Hello from the Other Side," which is Nairobi. I don't know where that came in my head, but I was like, that makes no sense. So yeah, I let you win.
You let me win.
I let
thanks.
you win.
You are so generous. You are
okay.
not.
It's
Okay?
all good.
I'm just good. I'm
Not.
I'm just good. I'm just good.
So that was the Whisper Challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure